Hello traders, welcome to Simple Trading Style, and today we are going to talk about daily stock market update, and we will figure out, is it still stock market bearish trend, what's going on with it. Let's move as usually to 5 rules of risk management. Please read it and follow it every single trade and you will be successful. Now it's a time for trading view. Let's move to trading view. Stock market heat map, all USA companies based on the market cap, daily performance. Looks like large caps green, but generally it's a lot of red. A lot of finance red, a lot of red, energy red, producer manufacturing red, a lot of red on only large cap. Looks like large corporations, the mega 7 stocks, they're green. Except Apple. Apple is not happy. Apple investors not happy about iPhone 15. Okay, let's go back to my watch list and let's do technical analysis review. If you want to learn more about TradingView setup, trading and other links, you can go to the description. There is the link about TradingView setup and other links about all my trainings. Let me briefly mention about my current setup. I am using simple moving averages, white line SMA 200, purple line SMA 100, blue line SMA 50, yellow line SMA 20, red line SMA 10, green line SMA 5. Buy and sell script indicator, MACD lines indicator, RSI indicator yellow line, and Fibonacci bars indicator. That's all very simple. It's not easy because emotions involved. If you follow the indicators, you will be successful because indicators do not have emotions. Let me show you this red circle. MA5 green line did bearish crossover over red line, right? It's a bearish reversal signal. It's entry for short trade. And when bars below MA5, it is bearish trend. When bars above MA5, it is bullish reversal. MA5 did bullish crossover over 10, bullish trend direction. Since that time, last bar moved below MA5. MA5 didn't make bearish crossover over 10 yet. Looks like it's ready for bearish reversal. It's building bearish reversal already, not confirmed yet, but it's already in the process to build bearish reversal. For DXY on daily time frame, right? USA dollar today plus 0.25% positive bullish. It is negative for equities. Now let's move to Qs. Let's start Qs. Let's start 1 hour time frame. Let's see what was going on with the 1 hour time frame. Looks like it was bullish today. It did move up, and it last 3 hours it did reversal. And last bar closed below MA5, 10, 20, 50. Bearish reversal on 1 hour time frame. Qs closed almost 0.5% positive. 4 hours time frame, similar story. MA5 did bullish crossover. It didn't cross above MA20, just did bullish crossover over 10. Last bar still below 20, still bearish trend on all indicators on 4 hours time frame. And daily time frame for Qs. Also MA5 did bearish crossover, still in a bearish reversal trend. Still above SMA 50 and SMA 20. But signal is bearish. Still bearish signal on Qs on all indicators on all time frames. VXN minus 5%, no volatility. Volatility for Nasdaq, no fear. Volatility index negative. It's no fear at all for Nasdaq. Still extreme greed. SPX, S&P 500. Closed almost flat, few percent positive. And daily time frame, MA5 did bearish crossover over 10 and 50, still about 20, bearish reversal signal. 4 hours time frame, MA5 did bullish crossover over 10, but still below 20. Bars below 20, still bearish trend on all indicators. 1 hour time frame. Last bar below MA5, 10, 20, 50, 100, bearish reversal trend on all time frames, on all indicators, on all time frames, all indicators for S&P 500. VIX similar story, negative minus 5.5%, no fear on the market for S&P 500, still extreme greed. Dow Jones minus 0.18% negative, still kind of flat market, flat price action, still last bar above 20, still kind of in the positive territory. MA5 below 10 is still kind of flat. 4 hours time frame, MA5 with bearish crossover over 20 and last bar close below 20, 10. It is bearish reversal on 4 hours time frame for Dow Jones. On 1 hour time frame, confirmed bearish reversal and last bar close below all moving averages. All moving averages below 200. It is bearish trend, bearish territory, bearish direction. VXD volatility index for Dow Jones minus 5.5% almost. Negative, bearish, no fear for Dow Jones volatility index. No fear, only extreme greed. All volatility indexes today minus 5%. Yeah, Dow Jones minus 6.5%. IWM minus 0.64% negative. Daily bearish reversal, bearish trend. Last bar stopped at SMA 200. Previously, when it stopped at SMA 200, very strong support. It definitely can bounce from it. But I believe it will continue bearish trend because SMA 20 is downhill and ready for bearish crossover over 200. I believe it will. Yeah. Previously it did bounce because SMA 20 was very far from 200. Now it is close. It will not have power to bounce. Maybe it will bounce just up to 20. Just will fight sideways between 20 and 200, but not higher. 4 hours time frame, bearish reversal signal. MA5 and 10 did bearish crossover over 200 and last bar close below 200. All indicators bearish. 1 hour time frame, MA5, 10, all moving averages below 200, last bar below all moving averages, bearish trend. Has some bullish divergences on MACD. We see price action is downtrend, MACD uptrend, bullish divergence. RSI has also light bullish divergence. Looks like it wants to have some bounce on 1 hour time frame. RSI very close to oversold territory. RVX minus 3% today. It is negative, no fear on the market for Russell 2000, still bearish, extreme greed. Apple minus 1.25% today. Apple still negative. Investors do not like iPhone 15. I was thinking Apple will bounce, will close the gap, and then we will continue to bearish, but it didn't bounce. It did bounce, but it didn't close the gap. Okay, but trend is still bearish. What can you do? Nothing. Bearish trend on daily time frame. Last bar below all moving averages except 200. 4 hours time frame, same story. Last bar below all moving averages. Bearish trend. Even SMA 50 did bearish crossover. Golden cross. It's a bearish crossover. It's a death cross. Death cross, not golden. Golden when it's up, when it's bullish. Death growth and bearish trend. 1 hour time frame. Look at it. Also SMA 50 just did bearish crossover. All moving averages except 100 above 200. Bearish trend on all indicators. for Apple. Tesla is different, right? Let's see Tesla. Tesla plus 1.5%. 1 hour time frame. It did nice bounce, did nice jump up, and for last couple days just flat price action. I still believe it will go back and will close this gap, but so far it is still bullish. Just building bearish reversal. Just last bar moved below 20. We'll see. Yeah, it's kind of bearish reversal signal. It's built last bar below 20. 4 hours time frame still bullish on all indicators. No changes, bullish trend. Bearish divergences. You see price action uptrend. Let me see. Price action uptrend, RSI downtrend, right? Bearish divergences. And for daily bullish trend, no bearish divergences, bullish trend. On 1 hour time frame it wants to have some correction, but on all other time frames it is bullish. Nvidia, let's start Nvidia. MA5 did bearish crossover over 20 and 50. Last bar below 20, below 5 and 10. Bearish trend on daily time frame. Even today Nvidia did 1.4% positive. Still trend is bearish. 4 hours time frame. 4 hours time frame, last bar moved above MA5 and 10. Now looks like it wants to do bullish reversal, bullish crossover. We'll see. Looks like it's ready for it, but it stopped at SMA50. SMA50 can be strong resistant now and can be rejected. 1 hour time frame. MA5, 10 and 20 move below 200. It is bearish territory, bearish setup. Last bar closed below 200 also. MA5 above 200. Kind of fight mode, it wants to go bullish. We'll see if it can continue that positive trend. It wants to go bullish, but we'll see if it can bring MA10 and 20 above 200. So far, 10 and 20 below 200 and bar below 200. Kind of in the neutral mode on 1 hour time frame. We'll see. Okay, let's move to Amazon. Amazon plus 2.5% today. Day 1 hour time frame. Bullish trend on all indicators. Price action uptrend. MACD downtrend. RSI downtrend. Bearish divergences on all indicators. Bullish trend and bearish divergences. 4 hours time frame. After hours, Amazon plus almost 0.5%. Bullish trend and bearish divergences on all indicators. It definitely wants to have correction because of the bearish divergences. 1 hour time frame, yeah, it should be like this one. Bearish divergences even on 1 hour time frame. Definitely wants to have correction. Microsoft plus 1.25%, 1 hour time frame. Bullish crossover, bullish trend for Microsoft, 4 hours time frame. Also last bar above all moving averages, still bullish trend on 4 hours time frame. And daily still bullish, last bar closed above all moving averages, bullish territory, bullish trend for Microsoft. Alibaba Group minus 3/4% today, minus 0.75% negative. On daily time frame, MA5 did bearish crossover, last bar below all moving averages, bearish trend. 4 hours time frame, last bar below all moving averages, bearish trend. MA5 and 10 did bearish crossover. And 1 hour time frame, also last bar below all moving averages below 200, bearish trend. MACD has bullish divergence, RSI has bullish divergence. Looks like it wants to have a bounce, but trend is still bearish. That's all. Let's do summary. Dollar is still positive. even it's building bearish reversal, but still positive. Qs, yeah, all indexes still bearish on all time frames, on all indicators. They're in the bearish position, bearish territory, in a bearish reversal signal. Equities also. Apple is very negative. Apple is very bearish, right? Still in the bearish reversal signal. Next couple days, looks like inflation still kind of hot. Possible that Fed next week will raise the interest rate, maybe quarter, and market will not like it. Market will not like any interest rate increase, and it could be some bearish reversal, bearish trend. This week is very important. Remember that it happens 4 times every year. This Friday it will be weekly, monthly, quarterly option expiration day. It will be a lot of reallocation of the assets. Investors will. We don't have a lot of shorts. We will not see short squeeze because a lot of shorts. That's why, I don't know, investors will continue to go bullish or they will decide to go bearish. After this next week, it will be kind of realigned. Investors will realign and will decide which direction they want to go. That's what we have right now. That's all. Let's move to disclaimer. I'm not a financial advisor. This video for educational and informational purposes only. Remember, for educational purpose, we are using paper trading simulator as long as we need to get constantly profitable, at least for 6 months. Thank you for watching simple trading style videos. I do publish daily, weekly, monthly updates for stocks, ETFs, indexes, and cryptos. Please subscribe to this YouTube channel, click like button to support this channel. I really appreciate all your efforts. Thank you so much and good luck. Bye now.